After the mining report's explosive findings, the Supreme Court banned all mining operations in Bellary in Karnataka. But what about the men in the centre of the storm, the Reddy Brothers? Justice Hegde has set payback to the state 4 times of what was looted. But how much was really looted? NDTV's Radhika Iyer tracks the money trail of the Reddy Brothers from Bellary to the British Virgin Islands.
16,085 crore rupees and still counting. The loss that Karnataka has incurred over the last 4 years due to illegal mining in the state. These brothers, Janardana Reddy and Karunakar Reddy, as directors of Obalapuram Mining Company, made 215 crore rupees in the last 3 years. The Lokayukta has suggested that they pay back to the state 4 times that sum. That will be 50% of the total scam.
G. Janardana Reddy, G. Karunakar Reddy and Sri B. Swamlu were directors of Obalapuram Mining Company at the time when the misconduct mentioned in this chapter was committed. Hence, I recommend to the competent authority for removal from the ministers from the cabinet, which is totally false. And I am asking and I am requesting him to ask a public excuse.
The denials as familiar as the charges against the Reddy brothers by any and every agency that probed illegal mining in Karnataka. So here's how their business worked. The Reddy brothers, in charge of Bellary, offered a risk-free mode of transporting illegally mined iron ore to miners. Several government officers provided necessary permits to mining companies for free and uninterrupted mining and transportation. If the officer didn't agree, he would be out of Bellary. According to the Justice Hegde report, the risk protection business fetched the Reddys more money than their own mining company did in Obalapuram. That's why the boundaries of Bellary were unofficially extended into Andhra Pradesh.
I have provided enough evidence for that one, whatever it is been written in the report.
The Lokayukta until recently was almost non-existent in India. But with this report, it has got a new definition. The ringleaders of illegal mining, as Justice Hegde calls the Reddy brothers, have been untouched so far. Ironically, one of the charges against the outgoing chief minister is that he took no action against his cabinet ministers, the Reddy brothers, even after several such reports. In Bangalore, Radhika Iyer, NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.